Good morning, sir. This is 𝘾𝙍𝙀𝙼𝙏. I am from CSMB. Now I am here to explain my DBMS assignment, creating tables with relationship. Introduction to the creating tables with introduction to database relationships. A database relationship defines how tables interact with one another. Understanding this relationship is crucial for effective database design. This presentation will cover key concepts and examples of creating tables with relationships. Types of database relationship. The three types of relationships are one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Each relationship types serves a different purpose and affects how data is structured. Recognizing these types is essential for establishing proper connections between tables. One-to-one relationships. In a one-to-one relationship, a record in one table corresponds to a single record in another table. This type of relationship is used when the data is split into separate tables without losing meaning. An example is a table for users and a table for user profiles, where each user has one profile. One-to-many relationships. One-to-many relationships are the most common in the database design. In this relationship, a single record in one table relates to multi-records in another table. An example is a customer table linked to an orders table, where each customer can have multiple orders. Many-to-many relationship. Many-to-many relationships occur when records in which one table can relate to multiple records in another table. This relationship often requires a junction table to manage the corrections. An example is students and courses, where students can excel in multiple courses and each course can have multiple students. Creating tables. Tables are created using creating table SQL statement. Each table should have a primary key to uniquely identify its records. Defining the right table types of each column is vital for data integrity. Defining primary keys. A primary key is a unique identifier for a table's records. It ensures that no two records can have the same key value. Choosing an appropriate primary key is essential for establishing relation between tables. Forging keys explained. Now I am going to explain forging keys. A forging key is a field in one table that links to primary key and another table. It creates a relationship between the two tables, enforcing referential integrity. Forging keys help maintain consist and accurate table across related tables. Creating one-to-many relationship. To create a one-to-many relationship, add a forging key in the table and represent the many set. This forging key references to primary key of one and side table. For example, in an orders table, the customer ID acts as a forging key, referencing the customer's table. Creating many-to-many relationship. To establish a many-to-many relationship, create a junction table that includes forging keys from both related tables. This junction table can also contain additional attributes related to relationship. For example, an enrollment table can link students and courses, storing relevant data like enrollment data. Implementing referential integrity. Referential integrity ensures the forging key values and must match primary key values in related tables. This helps maintain accurate and meaningful data relationship. Validating referential integrity can lead to appended records and data instantiations. Normalization. Normalization is the process of organizing data to reduce redundancy and improve integrity. It often includes dividing large tables into smaller related tables. Proper normalization supports effective relationship and enhances database performance. Visualizing relationships. Entity relationship diagrams (ERDs) are usually tools for visualizing table relationship. ERDs help identify how how tables connect and the nature of their relationship. Creating ARDs can simplify the design process and faculty community among stakeholders. Best practices in table relationship: always define clear primary and margin keys to maintain data integrity. Regularly review your relationships to ensure they meet advising business needs. Document your database scheme and relationship for further references and maintenance. Conclude. Conclusion: creating tables with relationship is a fundamental to effective database management. Understanding the types of relationship helps in designing robust databases. With proper implementation, you can ensure data integrity and optimize permission. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving this topic to me to understand the topic very briefly and know about this topic very cleanly. Thank you, sir.